you've been on YouTube for a while, let's say 3 months, 4, 5, 6 months, and you're still struggling to get subscribers, this video is going to help you. If your own is that you want to get what as and you're wondering, I'm creating content, I'm not getting what I want, trust me when I say this video is also going to help you. Because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get what as subscribers from your already existing videos without creating a new video. Like you don't need to sit down and create a new video. Your already existing video is going to help you get subscribers and watch ads. Now, the method you're going to be using are two different methods, right? And I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how you can get this done. Just go ahead and watch this video to the very end so that you can get the information that you really need. So for me to create a short-form content without necessarily recording a new video, there are two ways I do this. Now you're going to head on to our YouTube app, right? The YouTube app, and you're going to head up to your channel. Okay, so this is the channel I want to create from. You're going to go ahead and click where you have your logo showing. When you have you, click on it. Then interface is going to be like this. Here at the interface, here at this part, you're going to click on view channel, right? It's going to open up to your own channel, right? It's going to open up to your own channel. So you click on where you have videos, right? And then you're going to pick the particular video you want to create a short form content from. I'll click this very first one I just posted If you're just planning to yesterday, monetize, and when it's opened up like this, the next thing I want to do is to click on the share arrow. I'll click on the share arrow and then I'll swipe up. Now, when you here you have copy link. Copy link, you can copy the link and send to people or send out to your platforms. Quick share, you can share this video to somebody's phone directly, someone's an Android user, right? You can share it directly to their phones. Create post. You could also use this to create a post, right? But this is where we're going to remix, right? You click on remix and you have editing to a short, sound, collabo, green screen, and cut. Edit into a short option available only to you. So if you click on edit into a short, it's going to open up like this. Now, so right here at this part, you have 15 seconds showing. If you click on that 15 seconds, you can increase this to 60 seconds, right? But I want this to just be 15 seconds. I want this to be quite short. If you click on layout, you have an option to use different screen types. So what we want to do is either single, you can either use single or you can use split one, right? You could use single or split one. I prefer to either use single or split one. So I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue and then it's going to bring me to the next interface. The interface is looking different because I changed the video. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to go in and impute text, right? I'll impute my text. I'll just write something that people can relate with. I'll impute the text there, find somewhere and just place it on the screen. Then I'll move on to the next phase. Next phase will be to either add a sticker or anything, but I'll just move on to the next phase, which is now to add my title and description. I will ensure my title is clear and catchy enough to attract people. Then the description, I'll go on to describe the video, adding some more hashtags, also adding a link so this video ranks properly. Then I'm going to head over to this important part. This is where you want to pay attention to so that you can get subscribers and watch us. Click on the related video and add this part, the main video of this particular shot, add it on that related shot, right? Now, the next thing you're going to do is to pick turn on your, if it's AI, turn it on. If it's not, turn it off, and you know the other settings that you need to do. When you're done with that, go ahead and include more SEO keywords in the tags field. In the part that's for tags, go ahead and input more SEO keywords. Then you should leave this private or unlisted. Make it publish. When you are done, you will see if it is okay or not. The second method is via CapCut, right? So I already have the video. I already have the video that I edited. So I don't use to delete it until I am done with what I want to use it for. So I go ahead and click on the video that I edited, right? Which is this one. Okay, I don't think it's that one. Let me see. If you're planning to monetize, this is it. Right. So I click on the particular video that I edited. like I said, I won't delete it after editing. I won't delete it. I won't delete the raw footage so I can use it. So the next, very first thing I get to do is to go on to change the aspect ratio. So you're going to click, you're going to swipe to the right hand side, and you see aspect ratio. So I'll pick 9 by 16, which is this one, right? 9 by 16, which is this one. And then I'm going to use my hand to make it bolder, right? So that it fits into the screen a little bit more. Of course, you can see there are still spaces because this video was recorded on landscape mode, so there's still a little space upward, but I think it
If
fits
you're
into the
planning to
screen
monetize,
better off. So I have done that one. I will now go ahead and edit it to, I don't want this to be more than 1 minute. So I'm just going to get to the part where it's 1 minute and I'm going to cut the video there. So this is 1 minute. I'm going to just click on split, right? Click on split and delete delete the other parts that comes after, even the overlay. I'm also going to delete the overlay that comes after where where I want the view to stop. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all the other footages that because I already edited this as a long form content. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all the other footage that is contained here, right? So as you can see, it's still showing me 735. If you look up here, it's still showing me 735, meaning the overlay I added, or maybe the text that I added, they are still there, they're not deleted. I think it's the overlay. Okay, so I go ahead and just scroll through and then delete the rest of the overlaid images and videos that I have there, right? Okay, delete, delete, delete. Okay, it's still there. I still have so I'm still going to just scroll down to where I have um probably an overlay or an image. Okay, what is here is the arrow. So once I click there, as you can see, it has now minimized to 1 minute, right? So I'm still scrolling through to see what the overlay image, this is how it is looking now. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to make it full so that it fits into the screen and cover me. My voice is still going to be heard. If I play this, right, my voice is still going to be heard. Let's see.
YouTube is updating the YouTube Partner Program.
Okay, so at this part, sorry, at this part I think I went quiet.
let's
Let's
watch
watch
this
this
video
together.
together.
YouTube is up.
All right, so I went quiet at this point. So the video itself is going to play. I'm not going to ensure that it fits into the screen. I already edited it when I was doing my long form, and so this is it. I'm going to adjust this particular video back to, okay. Okay, so this is it. This is the video. So I have my short form content now. I have my short form content now. All I need to do is to, double check. If I want to add extra words. Okay, let me add, like I added in the first example I gave. Let me add YouTube new monetization update. Text. I'm going to add. I'm going to pick from some trending fonts, right? Let me look for one and just use. Let me pick this one. So
If you're planning to monetize,
I'm going to type in the words YouTube new updates, YouTube new monetization updates. Okay. So I'm just going to adjust it to fit the screen, right? And then I'll click on the good sign. Then I can export this, right? I can go ahead and export this. When you're done exporting, the next thing that you need to do is just to go head back to your YouTube channel and go and upload this. Just in case you do not know how to upload a video, right? You don't know how to upload a video. This video showing up here, you can click on that video to watch how to upload your video. But I'm very certain that you know how to upload a short form content. If you don't know, click on that link that just appeared so that you can watch that video on how to upload a short form content correctly. All right, thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and share to your community. See you in the next video. For now, bye.
If you watch to this point, trust me, you're the real entity, and I'm super excited that I know you. Please don't forget to watch this playlist in order for you to get more information on how to get subscribers and watch us very fast. I used some of those methods to get subscribers, and I'm using that to get watch us. So please don't forget to leave a like, leave a subscribe, and comment. Thank you. See you in the next one. For now, bye.